If you're looking for the best leg machines, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Wider Ultimate Body Works. The Wider Ultimate Body Works Home Gym is a complete contrast to the Rogue Fitness and Elite FTS leg presses. It's an option for anyone that doesn't have the space for a full-size leg press, but still wants to include this leg exercise in their lower body workouts. This is the newer and more popular version of the best-selling Wider Total Body Works 5000 gym, with an adjustable incline bench and pulley system. By increasing the incline, you're able to increase the percentage of body weight used in the leg presses. The width of the foot plate means you can't use a super wide stance, but it's enough to support a natural range of motion. You can also switch to isolateral leg presses, using one leg to create a more challenging lower body exercise. But even for light leg workouts, we wouldn't recommend Ultimate Body Works on its own. The limited resistance and range of exercises might not prove challenging enough, which is when we would add free weight exercises, such as dumbbell lunges. In addition to leg presses, the Wider Ultimate Body Works gym can be used for a wide range of upper body exercises. This includes chest presses, bicep curls, tricep extensions, and upright rows. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Body Solid Leg Press and Hack Squat. The Body Solid GLPH 1100 leg press features the same 1000 lb capacity as PowerTech's machine, but with one major difference. By rotating the back support and adjusting the position of the foot plate, the leg press can also be used as a hack squat machine. As you might expect, this is reflected in the price. The PowerTech leg press usually retails for around $1,000, while the Body Solid design is priced closer to $1,700. Dual safety handles put you in complete control of the 3 lockout positions, allowing you to lift heavy weights safely in your home gym without the need for a spotter. DuraFirm padding on both back supports is ergonomically contoured to provide extra protection for your lower back. The angle of the back support can also be adjusted to cater for different leg lengths. The Body Solid Leg Press Hack Squat Machine is also commercial rated, which means a lifetime warranty on the frame and welds, bearings, guide rods, upholstery, and grips when used in a home gym. The number 3 position is held by Bodycraft F660 Leg Press/Hip Sled. The Bodycraft F660 is one of the top leg press machines for your home, with the option to perform both leg presses and hack squats. To guarantee a smooth sliding carriage motion, Bodycraft have used industrial-grade linear bearings, similar to those used by Elite FTS and their Monster Mondo leg press. They are capable of moving heavy weights with minimal friction, which is perfect for sliding along the 1.25 solid steel guide rods. One of the more unique features is the Donkey Squat Pad. This can attach to the leg press foot plate and works in conjunction with a 3 calf block to support donkey calf raises. The back support, upper foot plate, and lower foot plate are all fully adjustable to cater for a wide range of users. You can also adjust the shoulder pads when you perform hack squats to provide increased comfort and assist with injury prevention. Foot plate movement is unilateral as opposed to bilateral, which simply means it can't be split in half the way you can with the Rogue Fitness ISO 35 design. But you can still perform a variety of leg exercises, including the single leg press, seated leg press, hack squat, calf raises, donkey calf raises, and hack squats. Bodycraft's F660 leg press is covered by a lifetime and home warranty, which applies to the frame and parts. This applies to defects in workmanship rather than standard wear and tear, but it's still some of the best coverage available. Next at number 4 we have Xmark Leg Press Hack Squat XM7616. The Xmark X M7616 leg press machine enables you to perform hack squats and leg presses safely without the need for a spotter. Stability and strength is provided by the 11-gauge 2x3 solid steel frame, which supports a total weight capacity of 1,000 pounds. The XM7616 is a similar machine to the Body Solid GLPH 1100, with the same weight capacity and leg exercise options. But if you want to make the best use of space in your home gym, you may wish to consider the Body Solid model. That's because the footprint of the XM7616 leg press is 4 inches longer and 2.5 inches wider, with total dimensions of 87 LX36.5W. This is the largest footprint of any home leg press on the market. However, if space isn't an issue, the XM7616 is still a top leg press. The back support and foot plate have 4 positions to choose from, with convenient safety locks and tear-resistant, double-stitched DuraGuard vinyl covering the pads. Exmark have also used 3 Duracraft cushioning in the dual shoulder braces, back pad, and headrest to provide optimal support during your leg workouts. Grips for the side rails are always within easy reach, creating a more convenient locking system, compared to the pivot arm used by most leverage leg presses. The number 5 position is held by Powerline PVL PO156X vertical leg press. The Powerline PVL PO156X is one of the top leg press machines on the market and the only vertical leg press produced by Body Solid. This is often seen as the only safe alternative to Smith machine leg presses, as the frame and range of motion have been customized for this one specific exercise. Having a diamond plate steel foot plate to press against also means you don't have to worry about balancing a bar on the soles of your feet. The only downside is that the weight capacity isn't as high as other leg press machines, with a maximum capacity of just 400 pounds. 3 weight plate pegs on top of the platform can hold standard weight plates by default, 1 diameter hole, but can be upgraded to hold Olympic weight plates if you buy a set of Olympic adapter sleeves. Dual adjustable 1/2 steel locking pins allow you to quickly switch between 3 starting and stopping positions, with nylon bushings for smooth and consistent leg press motion. Although the vertical leg press can help build lower body muscle, the positioning of your legs and lower back can cause joint pain. That's why Body Solid created the Powerline PVL PO156X leg press with an extra wide foot plate, which allows you to find a natural and comfortable foot placement. Thick cushioning in the back and neck pads also provides some much needed support for this challenging lower body exercise. The number 6 position is dominated by Body Solid Pro Club Line SL500 G2 leg press with 210 lb stack. The Body Solid SL500 G2 leg press machine is supplied with a 210 lb weight stack as standard, but can be upgraded to 310 pounds if needed. That's less than the 400 lb capacity of their PVL PO156X vertical leg press, and well below the 1000 lb limit of their GLPH 1100 leg press hack squat machine. That being said, you'll struggle to find a stronger horizontal leg press. Its 2x4 high tensile strength steel mainframe is commercial rated with fiberglass reinforced nylon pulleys. For added comfort, Body Solid have opted for their DuraFirm double-stitched upholstery. This is the same ergonomic cushioning we saw on the GLPH 1100 and provides excellent lower back support. The press plate has 2 positions to choose from, while the seat is multiple positions to cater for different leg lengths. The back support has also been angled to minimize spinal compression, while still allowing a complete natural range of motion. Weight stack adapter plates are also available if you want to increase the resistance in 2.5 or 5 lb increments, WS Atwo 5 and WSA 5 on the Body Solid website. Dimensions of the Body Solid Pro Club Line leg press measure 75 LX32 WX72 H. This is a much smaller footprint than the leg press, sled and hack squat combinations. As part of their Pro Club line of strength equipment, the Body Solid SL500 G2 leg press has a lifetime in-home warranty on the frame and welds, pulley bushings, bearings, cables, and upholstery. Applies in United States only. Moving on to the next at number 7 with PowerTech Fitness Leg Press. Redesigned for 2016, the reduced footprint means it takes up less space in your home gym. PowerTech managed to reduce the width by around 4 inches on each side, giving their leg press dimensions of 79 LX36.6 WX54 H. This means it takes up less floor space than the Body Solid GLPH 1100 leg press, whose footprint measures 83 LX34 W. The dual safety levers have also been upgraded with an ergonomic grip design that makes it much easier to rotate the locking pins to release and secure the weight sled. The 1000 lb capacity is possible thanks to the solid steel frame and 4 weight horns built into the carriage. That's twice as many as you'll find on the Body Solid leg press. A large, high tensile strength foot plate supports a wide range of foot positions. This allows you to switch between leg presses and calf raises in seconds. You can also adjust your foot placement from narrow to wide stance to focus on different leg muscles to help protect your lower back and provide added comfort. The back support is fully adjustable. PowerTech combined this with high-density foam padding on the backrest and seat for added comfort. This also keeps your neck, head, and shoulders supported and creates a stable base from which to press heavy weights. A bearing-driven roller system with nylon-reinforced wheels completes the PowerTech leg press design. Bearings help guarantee smoothness and stability throughout your leg press workout. The number 8 position is held by Marcy Impex Adjustable Weight Bench. This multi-position utility bench from Marcy lets you achieve all your fitness plans through the minimal use of equipment. The bench has an adjustable back pad that allows you to take 6 different positions. You will be able to perform a huge variety of exercises using this bench. It has a steel frame, which makes it highly durable. The top quality foam padding provides you with the best comfort while you are training. Using this bench, you will be able to work on both your upper body and lower body muscles. You can perform lower body workouts using the leg developer. You need to add weight plates to the leg developer to perform your exercises. You can work on leg curls if you want to target your hamstrings and glutes. Leg extensions will help you develop your quadriceps, the muscles located at the front of your leg. Next at number 9, we have Total Gym Apex G3. Using this workout gear from Total Gym, you will be able to perform more than 70 exercises with 8 levels of resistance. The equipment supports a maximum weight of 300 pounds, which lets you perform activities with variable range and intensity. You will be able to work on all sections of your body. The equipment will help you tone and strengthen your muscles in the lower and upper body. Besides building muscles, you can also use the equipment to maintain your health, lose weight, and improve your energy. The accessories included with this equipment are wing attachment, leg pull accessory, squat stand, and dip bars. The kit features a padded and ergonomically designed glide board. The frame is made of high-quality steel and includes an auto-lock height adjustment. The dimensions of the equipment are 93 by 43.25 by 15.5 inches. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Gold's Gym XRS20. You can use this equipment to perform multiple variations of exercises for total full body development. You can use the parts together or individually based on your preference and the type of exercises you will perform. The equipment is very easy to assemble and is ideal for beginners. You can use the curl yoke to work on your upper body muscles. The preacher pad helps you isolate your forearms and biceps to ensure that you have a proper exercise form. You can adjust the bench positions to perform exercises for incline, flat, and decline bench forms. The Gold Gym XRS20 has a compact and ergonomic design. It has an adjustable width, which allows you to use the equipment with both standard and Olympic size barbells. The gear comes with safety squatters that measure 9.5 inches long. These provide you with the best support during your intense exercising sessions. That's all for today. We upload fitness product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.